For centuries, humans have looked at the stars and asked one question: are we alone? On a cold, dusty world, a robot is quietly searching for answers. Its name is Perseverance. A rover built to look for signs of ancient life on Mars. Its landing site, Jezero Crater, a giant basin that once held a massive lake billions of years ago. And in July 2024, Perseverance found something that could change everything we know about life in the universe. The rover drilled into an outcrop called Cheava Falls, inside an ancient river valley. The core it pulled out, named Sapphire Canyon, was unlike anything seen before. Its surface had strange dark patterns, quickly nicknamed Leopard spots. To understand it, the team used almost every science tool on the rover. Instruments like Sherlock and Pixel studied the rock chemistry, searching not just for minerals, but for the deeper story hidden in its molecules. The analysis result stunned the scientists. The molten contained organic molecules, carbon-based compounds that are building blocks of life. But the real surprise was in the leopard spots. They were made of vivianite and greigite. On Earth, these exact minerals often form when microbes consume organic matter and react with their environment. In other words, they are chemical breadcrumbs of life. This discovery doesn't just say Mars could have supported life, but it hints Mars may have had the actual process of life. One scientist called it the most promising hint of ancient life ever discovered on Mars. But caution is needed. These minerals could also be formed without life through purely chemical reactions. Perseverance's instruments are powerful, but not enough to prove the case. That's why the Mars Sample Return Program is so important. This ambitious mission aims to bring Sapphire Canyon and other samples back to Earth. Only with advanced labs here can we truly confirm whether these leopard spots are a sign of ancient Martian life. But the mission is facing big challenges. The original plan, a joint project between NASA and ESA, had a cost over $11 billion and a return date in the 2040s. Now new plans are being studied, faster and cheaper, potentially bringing the samples between 2035 and 2039. Till the final part depends on money. The search for life is not just science, it's logistics and determination. The Sapphire Canyon rock hasn't given us the answer, but it has given us the best reason yet to keep searching. It's a clue, a chemical fingerprint from an ancient Martian lake. The next chapter will begin when a piece of Mars finally arrives on Earth, and when that happens, the question, are we alone, may finally have an answer.